Secretary Stongde Monastery Ventashi Dawa called on Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh, Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat. Chief Engineer Power Development Department Ladakh, Sivang Paljor was present in the meeting. Ventashi Dawa raised several points related to the infrastructure development at Strongday Monastery in Zanskar, including the installation of a solar-powered heating system in the monastery's assembly hall, installation of solar-powered street lights around the monastery, provision of solar panels for the residential quarters within the monastery, and construction of a compound wall fencing around the monastery. LG directed Chief Engineer PDD Ladakh Sivang Paljo to include the provision of a solar heating system in the DPR and expedite the project's completion so that the monks of the monastery can avail its benefits during this year's winter months. In connection with nationwide Har Ghar Tiranga campaign, a program was organized at Bhartiya Vidya Niketan High School, Chogal Masar. The students and their parents participated in this event with full enthusiasm and patriotic fervor. It started with a patriotic song by the students, adding to the spirit of the celebration. Principal of the school, Gopalji, led the gathering in a pledge to honor our national flag. Chairman Chief Executive Councillor LHDC Leh Tashi Gelson along with State President BJP Ladakh Funsok Stenzen called on Lieutenant Governor of Ladakh Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra at the Lieutenant Governor's Secretariat. Advisor to LG Dr. Pawan Kotwal, Principal Secretary School Education Department Ladakh Sanjeev Khirwar, Additional PCCF Brij Mohan Sharma and others were present in the meeting. The annual Youth Festival was organized at Leh campus of University of Ladakh the other day to celebrate cultural heritage and youthful talent. The event brought together students, community members and distinguished guests for a day filled with engaging and diverse activities. The event was organized with financial support from the J&K AIDS Control Society. The full-day rehearsal parade took place ahead of the 70th Independence Day at Polo Ground, Leh. Deputy Commissioner Leh Santosh Sukhdev unfurled the Indian flag and presided over the parade. The rehearsal ceremony consisted of marching contingents from the Central Reserve Police Force, Indo-Tibetan Border Police, Central Industrial Security Force, Ladakh Police, IRP 25 Battalion, Ladakh Police Commando and other bands. Ladakh Police Dog Squad also demonstrated a drill as part of the rehearsal.